Hello, teacher. I'm Alvaro, and this is my second oral exam. I saw the video and I say, wow, I'm very impressed with the topic. It's very common these things in our life in Mexico, and I agree with the generalization of people because we all done was of these things in our lives. Sadly, I made one of the realities. For example, um, one time when I went in the bus, I saw a person that need the seat, and I don't want to stand up. I pretend I sleep, or when people sings in the bus for money is the same. I pretend I sleep, and this is not ethic. And the problem is the normalization of these things because it's bad. It's bad habits in Mexico is not okay. I disagree with this. I think the solution is we need to stop normalizing this. Um, for start, this change is change the perspective. For example, when you talk with your friend in university and this person say, for example, I don't want to go with the vieja esa, and you say it's not correct, you can tell that person by the name or in another way without addressing them in this prayerful way. And in this example, or when you go in the bus and these people, any people need the seat, you can stand up and you say, "Hey, take a seat. I don't need very much this seat. You can sit." And I think this, and thank you, teacher.